Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore monitoring on Prometheus after config reset, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore monitoring on Prometheus after a configuration reset, begin by accessing the Prometheus server. Log into the server via SSH. Navigate to the directory where your Prometheus configuration files are stored. Identify the configuration file, typically named prometheus.yml. Open the configuration file using a text editor, such as Nano or 6. Review the existing configurations and note any critical sections that need to be restored. Re-add essential job definitions, including scrape configurations for your targets. Ensure that your scrape intervals and timeouts are set according to your monitoring needs. If you have any rules for alerting, find the relevant section of the config file. Add your alerting rules back into the configuration file, ensuring proper indentation and formatting. Once you've made the necessary edits, save the configuration file. Next, restart the Prometheus service to apply the changes. On a Linux server, you can typically do this using the command sudo systemcll restart Prometheus. After restarting, check the status of the Prometheus service to ensure it's running without errors. To verify your configuration, access the Prometheus web UI via your browser. Navigate to the Targets section to check if your monitoring targets are listed and their statuses are healthy. If any targets are not working, double-check their configurations in your prometheus.yml. Look at the logs for any errors or warnings that may indicate configuration issues. Once everything is set up correctly, begin to monitor the metrics being gathered by Prometheus. At this point, consider setting up additional dashboards or alerting as needed to improve your monitoring setup. Lastly, document any changes made to the configuration for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.